Welcome to another tutorial on Google Smarter Not Harder. This tutorial is on conditional formatting for filling out forms. In the learning management system that we're creating, we want to make sure that it's very easy to complete the forms that we're providing in the spreadsheet along the way. So one great way of doing that is to conditionally format cells, rows, or columns so that the background color is a light blue, and that way it's easy to determine, oh, this is a field that I need to input information if I'm a coach or a candidate. So I'll go ahead and show you a tutorial on how that's done. So in this example, we have a form that needs conditional formatting for each of the input areas that need to be completed by the candidate. So to do that, I can highlight my first cell here, go to Format, go down to Conditional Formatting, and it brings up this basic format already kind of set up, but this isn't what we want, although it is C8 to E8, which is already highlighted, which is great. I want it to be, if it is empty, I want it to be a light blue. And that's what I'm going to do. So light blue for if it is empty. Now I can click on this and it will allow me to add other ranges. Once I do that, I can now click on these other ranges and it instantly does the last name, which is F8 to I8. Now if I hold down the command key on my keyboard, which you can't see, but and again, it's the command key, I can go ahead and click on all of these areas that need to be conditionally formatted, and it will continue. Well, it should have. Let's try that again. Let's go back to, oh, that's correct. Yes, C11 to O11. And then I'll just hold down my command key again and click on mobile contact area. That's C14 to E14. Then click on birth date, and that's G14 to I14. Personal email, that's K14 to O14, etc. So I'm just going to keep on going. Every section that I want the candidate to complete, I will hold down and click to keep adding these sections to my conditional formatting. I'm going to show you how fast this is when you hold down your command key and let it just keep on adding. There you go. And I'm going to do signature and date. And I don't need to do candidate's name because that's another tip or trick we're going to show you later. And the office only use stuff I don't need to highlight in blue because the candidates will not be completing that section of the form. So here we have all of the ranges in which will be light blue, and I'm going to click OK. And now I can see that they are highlighted in light blue because they are empty. And I can see all of the ranges over here, but it cuts off, but they are all there. And I can click done. And now you might say, well, where did it go? Well, once I click on any one of these cells, you can see that the conditional formatting is here. When I hover over it, it shows each of the cells that have been a part of that conditional formatting. So that's how you can use conditional formatting as a way of making the form completion or the learning environment that you're creating as very easy and visually instruction, have a visual instruction of how they can complete the form. These are a series of other tutorials where we're going to be going over sheets and how they share information, and other list of videos here. Thanks for joining us.